Hey y'all, right now we're unboxing some Pokemon cards with my dad. So, Dad, come in. Yeah. So right now, I'm going to unbox it. So you can get this at a Vstock or really anywhere. You can buy it off of Amazon probably too, so just know. So as you see right now, Pokeball. Dad, how do you open this again?
Pop it in there.
Pop it in there, like that. Oh, so we got 3 packs of Pokemon cards, yeah. So first we're gonna open this pack and we're just gonna like keep these like here.
Oh, that would be the one.
Okay. So it also comes with 2 stickers. So yeah, good camera.
Them like this, and then you can go through.
So don't need this one. So right now, let's see. So first we have Wiglet. Okay. And now we have C-Dot. Now we have Arbok.
Yep.
Arbok. Totodile. And we have a trainer.
Cypher Maniacs Code Breaking.
Yeah, so this is what it looks like. We have Vikavolt.
Yeah, Vikavolt.
We have Great Tusk. We have Ekans.
Which is snake spelled backwards.
And we have
Unpheasant. Oh,
We have Eerie.
that's cool.
Yeah. And we have a basic energy.
This is the big card from the
Yeah.
back.
And we
How
have
do we get it to focus on it? Don't want to focus, but
and you just have a
see? Look at that. Full art.
basic, yeah.
Oh, that's
So-
your best card.
So yeah.
That's a very good one.
So yeah, that's the first pack. Now we have our second pack, and I'm really excited for this one.
Well,
Okay, so first we have Spinda. Okay. And we have
you know, you're a bit of art.
Tink. And we have
That's like a mystery one, I think. Yeah, like a pink and a purple.
I don't know how to pronounce this, but we have this card. We have Dewebble. We have Technical Machine Devolution, a trainer. We have Exploud.
That one's called Luck.
We have Mela.
It's called Luck.
Pan Sage. We have Blitzel. Blitzel.
This is nice. This is different.
We have Tops.
Yeah, that's why
Dad,
I was like,
look what I
it's
got.
more,
Toxtricity EX.
Toxtricity EX. And that's a good card. And we have another energy card.
Fire energy.
Fire energy.
Yeah.
Okay, last pack, y'all. And this is the pack. So this was the pack I just did. And
You have to lift it.
yeah, so last pack. Let's hope we get something good. They also say third time's the charm, so who knows? Okay. First we have Van Illish. We have Onyx. We have another Tink, a Tink. So wait, is that the thing?
You're good?
Oh, so this is the next Tink, a Tink. It's the stronger version. We have Char Cadet. Putting that in the good pile. We have Earthen Vessel. We have Medical Energy. We have Iron Bundle. Okay. We have another Iron Bundle, but it's
Reverse holographic.
yeah, reverse holographic. We have Crystal.
And your holographic is a
Is that mine?
Volcanium.
Yep, this is yours to open.
And
Look at yours.
This
Well, that's kinda cool looking.
basic energy. So
Look at you.
y'all, that's all of the Pokemon cards.
You
So
got
I'm gonna put these in my binder,
Dinosaur,
the Pokemon binder, but
put Rocket Ball.
I'm keeping this
Go back to the
and thank
I have that one.
you for
Yeah.
watching this
There's
unboxing
two ruins,
video.
Poundstone, Grumpig, and then you got a cool one. Look.
And
Marshadow.
I
That's a
hope
cool
you
one, Rosie.
enjoyed this video. So yeah. Thank you for watching and peace.